Hey guys, Avi here, and welcome to my brand new series in iOS 11 development, Tinkering with Table Views. In these series of videos, we're going to learn everything about table views. What are table views? Why do we use them? Understanding what table view cells are, creating our own custom table view cells and incorporating that in Xcode, and then finally, learning how to pass data from one view to another. In this scenario, we're going to be creating a shopping list application. We have apples, oranges, and bananas in our shopping list. Each one has a count and an image. If you select on an item, you're taken to a view which just has a bigger, broader picture, apple, the apple image, and the count. You can go back to the table view, etc. We'll learn how to pass data, we'll learn about segues. There's a bunch of stuff loaded in this application, and I hope you're excited to learn iOS 11 development. Now, if you're interested in more, if you're interested in learning all sorts of applications, I'm currently launching a course, the complete iOS 11 development course, Swift 4 and Xcode 9. It's completely funded on Kickstarter, and if you guys want to learn how to make iOS applications, I definitely suggest you check this out. Otherwise, check out my Udemy profile. If you just search my name, Avinash Jain, in Google, you can see me as the first link. And over here, I teach a variety of courses from Django to WordPress to Python, Apple Watch development, Swift, and now soon, iOS development. So if you guys want to check that out and learn iOS development, please feel free to do so. Anyways, I hope you're excited to learn table views and what they're all about, and I'll see you in the next video.